Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your language inside your Roblox game on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up your Roblox game as you normally would and make sure to sign in. Alright, now once you've signed into your Roblox game, you want to go ahead and click onto more, bottom right hand corner of the page here. Now from here, you want to scroll down and then we want to click onto settings. And then we need to click on to account info, it'll be at the top of the page here. Now from here, if we navigate to near the bottom of the page, we've got a section where it says language. And now we can change this. At the moment I'm set to, well, I can't even tell you what that language is if I'm being honest. So I'm gonna hit the little tab button for more. So now I can change the language back to English. So here it is here. So obviously I speak English, so I'm going to change it to English, and that's going to automatically save it and then restart your game as you just seen on my screen.